are dreaming with that beach vacation in Thailand and want to know where to stay, then this video is for you. We'll tell you about our experience of having been there 3 times, but we will also simulate some different scenarios for different tastes and different budgets. We are from the channel in Portuguese Adoramos Viajar, but with some videos in English and Spanish. And if you also love to travel, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. First, you need to know your traveler's profile. Ours, for example, we like to stay longer in each place to have an in-depth view. That is, we have a traveler profile, which may not be yours. So, let's simulate about different scenarios, because then you can direct your search of the place to stay. We use several accommodation search apps, such as Hotels.com, TripAdvisor, Skyscanner, Booking.com, Airbnb, and over time we learn to use each one. A big advantage of Thailand is that things there are pretty cheap, which increase your range of choice. You can even give yourself the luxury of a better hotel. But as I said before, we like to stay longer in each place. Therefore, we can sacrifice a little comfort and luxury to be able to stay longer. But if for you money is not a problem, then it is easy. For younger guys with perhaps a tighter budget and who like to socialize and make friends, the options to stay in a hostel is very attractive. And it seems to be really fun, because we used to pass in front of the hostels. Several of them have a living area in front, almost like a bar. And in the late afternoon, it is possible to see many there, already warming up for the night. Another advantage is that you can make groups for islands tours. For those who prefer something more private, there are hotels for all tastes and budgets. And the advantage is that it's very cheap, and there it is easier. And there are very good options. We already use Booking.com a lot to choose hotels when this is our choice. Always read the reviews from other travelers, because photos can be deceiving. We prefer to travel more slowly, staying longer in each city. And then the option to use Airbnb is excellent. In addition, we have an economic travel style. To be able to stay longer, we usually eat at home, which means good savings. That is, we cook ourselves.
10 ovos e quarta, quinta, sexta e sábado.
Qual é a ração de hoje? We already have a good experience with Airbnb, and so far we haven't had any major problems. The platform works very well. We prefer not even put the name of the hotel or accommodation, because each one has its own preference. I can give you some suggestions on most convenient locations. So, for those arriving in Bangkok, which is huge and has accommodation spread across the city, if you like nightlife, prefer to stay around the famous Khao San Road.
E agora nós estamos aqui na famosa Khao San Road,
where there are many bars, restaurants, shows, massage, etc. The video about Bangkok shows a little bit of that. But As we prefer more tranquility, we stay in another region. But a good tip is to stay close to some BTS, which is the Bangkok Skytrain, that can take you everywhere. And here is a tip. By BTS, you avoid using taxi to airports when you go to other destinations. And of course, for the wonderful beaches of southern Thailand. When the destination is the beaches of southern Thailand, you can arrive via Krabi or Phuket. We have a video on the advantages and disadvantages of each one. Whoever arrives in Krabi, we suggest we stay in Ao Nang, which has a beach and is where several boat trips depart. When staying in Ao Nang, you won't have any problem with the location of your hotel, hostel or apartment, because usually the tours pick you up at the accommodation locations. If you arrive via Phuket, you can choose to stay in Patong, where there is a lot of nightlife, or Phuket Town, where it is quieter. From Ao Nang and Phuket, the boats leave for the Phi Island. On the pier deck are several representatives of the hotels with trolleys to carry luggage to and from the hotel, as many are well hidden and the paths are difficult, some with many stairs and climbs. The first time we land, we choose a hotel with a beautiful view of the room and the balcony. Beautiful. But to get there, had a very hard climb and many stairs, many stairs. At other times, we choose hotels with less view but better located, near the pier, where we just go out and we are already in the shops, bars and restaurants. And here is a tip. Near the pier is much better to sleep in, as some hotels near the beach are very noisy. Because of the beach parties. We recommend that you stay there for at least 2 nights to enjoy the island's atmosphere. We are from the channel in Portuguese, Adoramos Viajar, but with some videos in English and Spanish. And take the opportunity to leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell.